Hello, I'm Lina with Eco Peaceful. Our sprouting set, not just for sprouting and then for storage. Replace sprouting lid with silicone insert and it's become storage. So you can store sprouts just in the same jar as you store. It's very convenient and saves lots of time. But also our sprouting mesh is curved, and because it's curved, it's very easy to strain all kind of like cans, jars, like any size. Because it's curved, it's make it very easy. I'm gonna demonstrate that now. So what I do, I just place it like that, just strain very easy. Oops, and if I need rings, just rings and strain. And large one. See? Make it very easy. Our sprouting set I also use for straining tea. I'm traveling now and it's so convenient to have one set to do so many things. So I have a tea here, hibiscus tea, green tea, and I have silicone mason jar lids that I designed just for myself. And it's available, of course, on Amazon right now. So it has a spoon holder. You can attach spoon, fork, a straw, whatever you want. And you can remove spoon and use it, or you can just keep spoon and use it. So I just keep the spoon so I don't have to go back and forth. So I have a cup here. I'm gonna take hibiscus tea and place it back lid, just like that. And take a little bit of green tea, just a little bit. I'm caffeine sensitive. And just pour hot water. And I use this silicone seal just to hold it like that. And I will use strainer to strain it. Just wait 5 minutes and then I strain it. I will be straining over the sink, so I don't have a mess everywhere. Just like that. So you can see, because it's curved, it's nicely stays there. And then I have a tea. I want to show the quality of our lids compared to other silicone lids. Like, for example, this is mason jar lids. And look how thin it is. So it's get just broken after one use. And also when you stretch, it's showing white. It's low quality or plastic fillers or some other fillers. So like so thin, just one time use and it's trash. And our silicone lids are very thick, heavy duty. And when you pinch or stretch anywhere, like I'm gonna show you, anywhere, it doesn't show any white. And then whatever you do to them, doesn't show any white, because we use highest quality silicone that is LFGB. Compliant with LFGB, it's a German standard